Hi everyone, welcome. Today in front of me are HyperX Cloud Mix Buds, and I'm going to show you how can you easily manage touch controls. Let's get started. First we have to open our app. And now, as we can see, there is touch controls. We have to click on it. And now, there is earbuds left and right. There are different options. We can either disable it, and it can be one whole. We can change every option that is here, or disable them. We can during call, incoming call, and general. And that's it. Like and subscribe for other these types of videos. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.